Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add menu option in WordPress using Elementor. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that you've opened the admin panel of WordPress. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the plugin section at the left side of your screen. Then once you've done that, just go ahead and search for Elements Kit, then install and activate it. Okay. So to install Elements Kit, just go ahead and click on the install option. Then once it is done installing, you should see the activate button. So now once you've done that, just go ahead and open your website. So once you've opened your website, you should see the Edit with Elementor option at the upper part of your website. Okay. So just go ahead and click on that option and then click on settings. Okay. So once you've clicked on settings, for the page layout, just go ahead and select Elementor with full width. Okay. So now for the select sections, just go ahead and click the Elements Kit logo and select sections. Okay. So now once you've clicked on the Elements Kit logo and the select sections, just go ahead and select header for category. Okay, so you should see the drop down arrow at the left side of the tab and click on header. So once you've clicked on header, insert the header that you want, so you can choose whatever you want. So now once you've done that, just go ahead and click the header. Okay, so once you've selected the header that you want, it should be inserted on your website page. Okay, and once you are back on your website page, just go ahead and click on the header that you've selected. Okay, because once you've clicked on the header that you've selected, you should see the select menu section option at the left side of your screen and then click on main menu. Okay. So once you've done that, you can just go ahead and change the appearance of it however you like. So you can change the color, the background, your logo. Okay. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.